When you wake up in the morning, Siterwell Familywell turns on the light and music. Everything is ready made for you. When you leave home, switching to the away mode, everything will be turned off except the security equipment. While you are away from home, Familywell can send you push notifications or video alerts when unwanted activities take place. When you arrive home, switching the home mode, everything turns up. When you are cooking and the food burns, Familywell will warm and can turn off the electromagnetic furnace. When go to sleep, switching to the night mode. If a thief tries to break in, Familywell will chase away the thief.